Understanding original equipment manufacturers, OEMs. An original equipment manufacturer, OEM, plays a crucial role in the supply chain, particularly in the manufacturing industries. OEMs are companies that produce goods that other companies, referred to as value-added resellers, VARs, use as components in their products. This relationship enables VARs to deliver finished products to consumers while relying on the specialized capabilities of the OEMs. Below, we will explore the concept of OEMs in greater detail, including their functions, differences from aftermarket parts and ODMs, and their impact across various industries. The role of OEMs. OEMs provide essential components for a wide array of products, from electronics to automobiles. Their primary focus is on business-to-business, B2B, sales, wherein they manufacture parts tailored to the specifications and needs of VARs. These parts may include anything from electronic chips for a television manufacturer to specialized engine components for automotive producers. Example in industries. 1. Electronics. A well-known example is Samsung, which relies on OEMs to provide various electronic components that are essential in the manufacturing of high-definition televisions and other consumer electronics. 2. Automotive. In the automotive industry, OEMs manufacture parts like brake systems, exhaust components, and engines that automotive manufacturers assemble into new vehicles, such as those produced by Ford or Toyota. 3. Fashion. For clothing brands, OEMs might manufacture custom fasteners or labels bearing brand monograms for companies like Ralph Lauren. B2B dynamics. The relationship between OEMs and VARs is centered on customization and collaboration. OEMs frequently adjust their product designs to meet the specific needs of their clients, fostering a close-knit partnership that is critical for success in their respective markets. Direct-to-consumer sales. Although primarily operating in a B2B environment, OEMs may sell directly to consumers in cases where individual customers require specific replacement parts. For example, a car owner can purchase OEM parts directly from the manufacturer or through retailers specializing in automotive parts. OEMs versus aftermarket parts. The aftermarket landscape. The aftermarket refers to the market for parts and accessories used for the maintenance and repair of original products, such as automobiles. Aftermarket companies typically create parts that mimic the original specifications of OEM components but may differ in quality and price. 1. OEM parts. OEM parts are those that come directly from the original manufacturer, ensuring a perfect fit and adherence to quality standards. For example, a Ford car owner may decide to buy a thermostat from ABC Thermostats, the original OEM. 2. Aftermarket parts. Alternatively, the owner can choose an aftermarket option that may be less expensive but can vary in quality. In some cases, aftermarket parts may exceed the quality of OEM parts, which can sometimes lead consumers to prefer these options. For example, Hurst performance shifters became so revered for their performance that they were later adopted by manufacturers for use in factory-installed vehicles. OEMs versus original design manufacturers, ODMs. The terms OEM and ODM, although similar, refer to different types of business models. OEM primarily focuses on manufacturing parts based on the designs and specifications provided by another company. ODM focuses on both designing and manufacturing products for clients who then rebrand and sell these products under their own names. ODMs are commonly utilized by companies aiming to minimize research and development costs while entering the market quickly with new products. The technology industry and OEMs. Within the technology sector, the concept of OEM has evolved and expanded. Major computer manufacturers like Dell and Hewlett-Packard often incorporate components produced by other companies into their products. For instance, when Dell utilizes Intel processors, it not only relies on these OEM parts but also engages in co-branding that connects the reputation of Intel with its products. This partnership dynamic also influences customer support and warranty responsibilities, complicating the relationship between manufacturers and their customers. OEM applications in software. In the realm of software, OEM agreements are significant as well. Software companies like Microsoft sell their operating systems to hardware manufacturers such as Dell or Lenovo, who then install the OS on their products before selling them to consumers. This relationship emphasizes the importance of software compatibility and support across various hardware configurations. Evaluating the worth of OEM parts. When it comes to replacement parts, consumers often face the choice between OEM and aftermarket options. Here are a few considerations. Cost. OEM parts generally come at a premium due to their perceived quality and direct association with the manufacturer. However, consumers should evaluate whether the cost aligns with the reliability and fit that OEM parts guarantee. Quality. While many aftermarket parts are produced to close specifications, some might sacrifice quality for a lower price. It is worth researching and comparing brands to determine the best value in terms of price and quality for individual needs. Conclusion. Understanding the role of original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, is crucial for both businesses and consumers. OEMs provide the foundational components that enable various industries to produce high-quality finished products. By distinguishing between OEM and aftermarket options, as well as understanding the dynamics with ODMs, consumers can make informed decisions about replacements and repairs. As technology and manufacturing practices continue to evolve, the role of OEMs will remain essential in maintaining product integrity and quality across multiple sectors.